Hi everyone, want to match the look of your favorite video in seconds? Today I'll show you how to copy color grading from any video in Davinci Resolve. Let's dive in. First, make sure both of your clips are on the timeline, one with the color grade you want and one that will receive it. Next, head over to Color tab and click on Clips to display the both video samples. Now click the clip that needs with color grade, then hold Ctrl, then select the clip with the color grade you want to copy. Finally, right-click the graded clip and select the shot match to this clip, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically match the colors for you. And there you have it, fast and easy color grading in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more pro editing tips. Thanks for watching.